I'm JC, Jermaine JC, and it's hair porn. We're doing it on a different day, all month long, because it's going to be on Monday. Why are we doing this? Because I have great news to tell you. This is going to be an unboxing, first and foremost. Yes, hair porn. Look at that hair. But I got a box. Boom. And it's from Thank God It's Natural or TGIN. Because you know we don't really sell that. Why? It's because all month long it's NoShaveNovember. So I'm going to make sure I get on here real quick to tell you straight up. I've been chosen to be part of many ambassadors for TGIN, especially for this month for No Shave. And as you see, this is my beard list like right now. And I'm going to be showing you what we're going to do for my beard. Also, I'm going to be showing you what we're going to do for my hair. Now, this box is not just a box. No. This box is unboxing for a reason. Ready? Set. Let's go. And it's called Let It Grow TGIN Men Collection. Now, this right here is a good pamphlet because I'm not going to be reading all these type of stuff. I'm trying to get you a little more professional. First, it's in my t-shirt. This is the back of the t-shirt. I kind of like the back a lot. And then this is the front. Let's see. I'm going to get this real good for you. And it says TGIN on the front, natural. And on the back, it's so dope because it says Let It Grow, the TGIN Men Collection. And then, and also, you know, gives the social media. Next up, we're going to go in order of, like, say, my hair first. This is TGIN. This is the moisture-rich, sulfate-free shampoo. It has mammoth oil, coconut oil. Ooh, good ingredients. More and coconut oil with that. And let's see for the key ingredients. This is just an unboxing. I'm going to be trying this next week for y'all. This is the ingredients. It has purified water infused with almond oil. It has blueberry extract. It has sugarcane extract. And it has sugar maple. It has orange. Lemon. This sounds great so far for this. It also has vitamin B and vitamin E. Next up is this. This is the TGIN Tea Tree Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner with green tea and argan oil. Yes. And this right here, I'm not going to be reading the benefits and shit. I'm just looking at the ingredients. And as you know, as an unboxing, always try your best to look at the ingredients. This already has, it has first tea tree, the leaf extract, and it has allergies. You know, I love that. And then it also has cocoa. It has cocoa butter, and it has shea butter, and it has argan oil, sweet almond oil, ooh, sunflower seed oil, honey. This has a lot of greatness in it. Alright, as a refresher, I would say for them, they have a refresher. This is rose water curl refresher with rose water and green tea. It's right here, this whole bottle. And last but not least, as far as hair is concerned, they have an oil. Yes. And my lips are going to be very moisturized in TGIN Peppermint Shea Butter Lip Balm. And last but not least, soap. Yep, Argan black soap with shea butter and oh, I can't say it for some reason. I'm just gonna read it right there. Yep. And that's what this video is all about, the unboxing. I'm going to be trying all this all month long, and I'm going to be doing all my wash days with it. So next time you see me, it'll be a wash day, and then we're going to show you how to apply it. How I'm applying this to my everyday routine. And that's pretty much mainly it. I'm grateful that TGIN has trusted in me and made me ambassador. Mainly because, you know, I got a beard. But it's cool to have a line like this. Look at my channel, and it means I'm growing. So, try to stay woke, try to get woke, and I'll be back with you with more and more for hair porn. I can't give you two this week. I just don't let you shit. Catch you later with the next one, though. Try to stay woke.